Darja Academy Lahore. I am Tabinda Itazaz. Today I will explain different types of softwares. A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task, and different softwares are developed to solve different problems. There are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software has further two types: customized software and packaged software. First, we shall discuss system software. System software is a software that is used to control and manage computer hardware. Hardware cannot do any work unless it is directed to do something, and the directions are provided in the form of system software. A system software enables application programs to execute properly. We cannot use an application program unless we have installed a system software on our computer. I can say that in order to use an application software, we must have installed a system software on our computer. If you do not have installed a system software on computer, you cannot install or use an application software on that computer. It means a system software provides a platform where we can install and use application softwares. A system software controls the following operations, such as it saves data on hard disk. A system software enables computer to work properly, and a system software controls the printing operation, printing a document. So all these operations and many other operations are performed by system software. These are some examples of system software: operating system, utility programs, and device drivers. All these are examples of system software. Now let us discuss application software. The second type of software is application software, and application software helps user to perform specific tasks. Application software is also known as application package. Application software or application package has further two types: customized software and packaged software. Customized software. This type of software is designed to solve the problem of a particular customer. To solve a problem of a particular customer or to fulfill the requirements of a particular customer, customized softwares are developed. Whereas packaged softwares are designed for general public. Packaged softwares are designed to solve common problems, to perform daily routine activities. They are not designed to solve the problem of a particular customer, but it is designed to solve the common problems of general public. And the packaged softwares are also known as off-the-shelf softwares. Customized softwares are more expensive than packaged softwares, which are less expensive. The customized softwares are developed by a single programmer or by a team of programmers, but the packaged softwares are always developed by expert programmers. As the packaged softwares are designed to solve multiple problems of general public, so expert programmers are required to design and develop these types of softwares. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint are examples of packaged software. All these softwares are general purpose softwares and they are used in different fields. For example, MS Word is used by a student, it is used by a teacher, it is used in offices, it is used at pharmacies, hospitals. So it fulfills the requirements of general public, many persons. It is not designed for a particular customer. Similarly, MS Excel and Paint are used in many fields. On the other hand, the examples of customized softwares are college admission system or a library system for a particular university. Now, general public has nothing to do with this admission system, which is designed to solve admission related problems of a college. Similarly, library system, which is designed for a particular university, is not useful for general public. So, the softwares which are designed for a particular customer are known as customized software, and the softwares which are designed for general public are used to help people to perform their daily activities. An important question that is asked in exams is differentiate between system software and application software. So let us see the difference. System softwares are general purpose softwares, whereas application softwares are specific purpose softwares. They are developed to solve specific problem. Whereas system software is general purpose. For example, Microsoft Windows is installed on every computer, but MS Word is not the need of every computer. It need not to be installed on every computer. It is installed where it is required. So it is a specific purpose software. Next difference is system software manages hardware. It means hardware cannot be functional unless there is a manager to manage the resources, and a system software performs this duty. It manages and controls computer hardware. On the other hand, application softwares are user-oriented softwares. These types of softwares are designed to solve the problems of users, not the problems of computer. They are designed to solve the problems of users. The third difference is system software executes all the time. For example, Windows executes all the time you keep on working on computer, but application softwares execute when they are required. For example, we open Microsoft Paint when we have to do painting and then we close it, but operating system, which is a system software, is closed when you shut down your computer. Next difference is system softwares are less in number, whereas application softwares are much more in number. There are many application softwares. For example, there are many games, there are many painting apps and so on. But system softwares are less in number. The last difference is system software is mandatory for computer to work properly. For example, if you have not installed operating system on your computer, then you cannot do anything on your computer. On the other hand, application softwares are optional. Computer can work without an application software, but a computer cannot work without a system software. So I can say that system software is mandatory for computer, but application softwares are optional. These were the different types of softwares and their differences. You can ask your question by writing a comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to my channel.